Hello, teacher and classmates. Good afternoon. My music favorite is, for example, um, author Sharon. For example, Perfect. B. L. Sharon is a pop ballad song that describes the story of unlucky love with romance languages that makes me feel space and tranquil. It is important to me because it was dedicated to me by my only love Gabriel and Anton were a longer together. It always reminds me of how special he was to me. And my favorite is music author is Adele. For example, Rolling in the Deep is Henry Paulson. Um, Adele is woman very exceptional talent that inspires power, enthusiasm to sing her lyrics usually told about her breath. Sometimes it makes my sad mood. I the sing the with the soul. I love her lyrics and the strength with which she sings them. Um, it is songs tell us about having been able to have everything, but it is one not enough. What you provide for the person to stay with you. Thanks. Happy good afternoon, teacher and classmates.